Information about Acer tataricum subsp ginnala. Acer tataricum subsp ginnala, commonly known as Amur maple, is a subspecies of Acer tataricum, a species of maple native to Central and Southeastern Europe and Southwestern Asia. Amur maple is a small deciduous tree or large shrub that typically grows 5 to 10 meters tall and has a rounded crown. It has gray-brown bark that becomes furrowed with age, and its leaves are simple, opposite, and palmately lobed with 3 to 5 lobes. The leaves are green during the growing season, but turn a bright red, orange, or yellow in the fall. The flowers of Amur maple are small and yellowish-green, appearing in the spring before the leaves emerge. The tree produces samaras, or winged fruits, that ripen in late summer or early fall and are dispersed by wind. Amur maple is commonly used as an ornamental plant in landscapes and gardens. It prefers full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. It is generally tolerant of drought, heat, and cold, but is sensitive to soil compaction and air pollution. It is important to note that Acer tataricum subsp ginnala can be invasive in some regions, particularly in North America, where it has been known to outcompete native vegetation and disrupt ecosystems.